we go. Roll it.
Idiot, bro.
Gate runner. Oh, never mind. CSX. He's booking Jack. Here we go. CSX southbounder Q57 with the leader of a flat engine. Here we go, boys. Roll it. Yeah. Yeah, buddy. What's good? CSX-Q57 southbounder with the ES double flat engine leader. Yeah, buddy. He's booking Jack. Awesome horn show. Buddy, he was booking Jack. I'd say I'd give that one about 5 out of 5. He was freaking booking Jack. So some of the train is CSX M27. I think I said that for the wrong time in the first one. Awesome horn show, awesome crew. We're gonna stay here for a couple more hours and see what we get. Signals are still activated down there. But yeah, after all, he was pretty booking actually. Not gonna lie, there, we had a red signal right there for some odd reason. But yeah, after all, there he is, boys. Thank you all for watching. Catch you all in the next train video. I don't know, I'll say about like an hour maybe. So I was an awesome train. I forgot. Some of the train is CSX M27. That's right, related to Avon Yard to Darrow, Ohio. Thank you all for so much for tuning in. This is it, and it's Trains Productions signing off.